I'm Gayatri Kadam from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering, third year CSE department. So today we are going to see how to write an effective resume. We all know that resume is not just a kind of paper or something. It is very valuable in while we are applying for the jobs. So let's see what is a resume. Resume is a professional document that shows the person's skills, education, experience. It is actually used for applying for the job. Resume gives the first impressions of the person, how the person is, what the skills he pursues for the recruiters. Second, importance of resume. It creates a first impression, helps get interview calls, shows our skills and achievement. The resume should be short and clear, that should be understand by the recruiters. Next is different types of sections of resume. The main types or the points that the resume include is first consist of our title or name of the person, and then comes the career objective or the summary in short about 2 to 3 lines. Then education, skills, work experience, projects, certifications, achievements. Career objectives, actually resume is 1 or 2 pages. It consists of 2 to 3 lines about goals. For example, resume is used around world, in India, USA, and many of the different countries while applying for the job. It creates a first impression. For example, seeking a position to use skills and growing in IT field. The sections of resume. Now we will see the sections of resume, that one page or 1 or 2 pages consist of which sections. So first section is of first page, or at the top page it consists of your name, and below it consists of your contacts, email IDs, or the LinkedIn profile or the GitHub profile. Then comes your short skill summary. Summary consists of overall what you are interested in the job applications according to the role, and what skills do you pursue. It consists in the short summary into 2 to 3 lines. Then comes your skills. Skills consist of both technical and soft skill. Technical skills just like Python, Java, or another languages. It may be also consists of technical tools like VS Code, GitHub, and also consist of communication soft skills, which is communication, teamwork, leadership qualities, and etc. Education is, it should be in the structured or chronological order, means the first you have completed, last you have completed should be written in as the first. For example, you have completed your degree, and you should write that you should write its qualification in the education section, if in the first line on the in the first number. Then comes your college, then your school, and on the right hand side you have to write your marks and the year of passing. Next comes the projects and experience. The projects and experience may consist of the different types of internship or the projects that you have worked on. It may be of development project using HTML, CSS, and etc. Next now comes your certification. The certification sections consist of certificates and different types of achievements. Means in which field or in which domain you have, or so you have done some of the courses and you have got that certificate. So you can add it in your resume, just like Python certificate, coding competition winner, and etc. Tips for the resume is: keep it one page, use the bullet points, no spelling mistakes, simple format. Do's and don'ts are: uh, make it clear, neat, and honest. Honesty is one of the best or important that we have to mention in your resume. Not directly mention the honesty, but you have to mention all the things which you know rather than which you don't know. And don'ts are: avoid long paragraph and false information. These are some of the example, some of the resume samples. uh, in the top you can see the name, and then you can see the different types of links or the contact number. Then comes the skill section. In the skill section, it consists of technical or the skills that you should mention there. Then comes the education, last pass out just like BTech, then HSC, then SSC, and the year of passing should be written and the right hand side. Internship that you have completed, which is given in the bullet points. Project work that you have done should be also mentioned in the bullet points. And certification, and also you can add your strength, weaknesses, and different types of languages just like Hindi, Marathi, which so this was all about the resume. uh, this was all about the resume. If you have any doubt, you can ask in my channel. Thank you for watching.